would you sell something which is not good, or would you sell something which is bad but at a cheaper rate? That's what Bollywood is going through right now.
A movie के element,
Love
movie
story.
Exactly, that is what is missing in Bollywood now. The ahead of time stories of love and people's banter is missing now.
But चल गई movie. कैसे?
ठीक है. I've always seen Bollywood of that time to be always faster or better than all the other industries.
The movie should be so bad that it turns out to be good. Problem किसमें पता है? Problem इसमें है कि Hollywood नहीं चल रहा, Bollywood नहीं चल रहा. ठीक है, literally भाई कसम से
Hollywood is on a different decline.
चल ही नहीं रहा वो. Right, hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Double Bond podcast. मैं पाई ये सिग्मा. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about a very interesting topic for us as individuals because
we love movies.
We love movies. Trust me, week in, week out, I can do it all day, all night.
Yes.
ठीक है, I can literally sit. If Netflix has Interstellar to offer, I can sit on the most busy day of my work, like week, and still watch Interstellar at the evening because Interstellar and movies interest us a lot. So we are here to talk about, basically this is like a debate. I don't know क्या title होगा, but movies क्यों नहीं चल रही है in 2024-25 season में?
Especially like the one time, like specifically Bollywood के बारे में ही होगा, because I think every other industry in India is doing well.
Doing well नहीं बोल सकते. They're getting their like required क्या बोलता है audience.
Yeah.
Like Salar can run. हाँ, that is a whole controversy कि did they buy the tickets or whatnot. Salar can run. At the same time, Guntur Karam can be okayish and still achieve that like money wise. So in the same way in Malayalam cinema also, in the same way in Kannada cinema तो 8 ही movies release हुई है पिछले साल में तो.
And we know how they perform.
They didn't perform, trust me. वो पूरा वीडियो जो हमने कट आउट किया था
उसमें we just
there were movies which were 10 movies from Kannada industry, and the
highest collecting
the grossing.
I'll tell you this part. Highest collecting movie was Bagheera. It got 28 crores, and I saw that movie last weekend. It's the most laziest work a superhero movie could have. He literally looks like rip-off of probably Batman's underwear. That's literally his costume.
I knew Batman would come up.
He was literally wearing a Krish rip-off mask and probably wore the whole of Batman's underwear as his suit. That's the laziest Superman movie I've ever seen. Please don't watch it.
So then, we are here to talk about Bollywood and keen interest. ये कब आएगा वीडियो पता नहीं, but Feb 7th
पे रिव्यू आ रहा है.
Feb 7th पे एक मूवी का रिव्यू आएगा जिससे तुम ट्रॉमेटाइज हो सकते हो. नाक में गाने वाला हिमेश रेशमिया और इतनी बड़ी स्टार कास्ट
जो स्टार्स नहीं है, जो पुराने स्टार्स है सब. He's getting all कौन है वो?
He got Johnny Lever.
That's what. आजकल कहाँ आ रहा है मूवीज में? He's an old comedian.
Still though, it's a star cast. Sanjay Mishra भाई.
हाँ, Sanjay Mishra यार.
So what is the technique that movie Badass Ravi Kumar already has broken even in the budget?
I will tell you the exact formula behind it. For example, Farah Khan? No.
Is she related? I have one more this thing I'll tell you.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो like for example, very simple theory, ठीक है. For example, एक friend group है. For example, सोच हम स्कूल में हमारा एक friend group है. We are the best known, मतलब like सब जानते हैं हमें हमारे स्कूल में. एंड हर फ्रेंड ग्रुप में एक बंदा जोकर है जो हमेशा जोकर बनते हुआ है और वो जोकर बनने के लिए ही फेमस है. And he focuses on that point to make himself famous.
Yeah.
Himesh Reshammiya
did exactly
the same.
Yeah. मेरे हिसाब से ये फराह खान की स्ट्रेटेजी है.
Okay.
When Shah Rukh Khan is
Hmm.
fighting a tiger in Om Shanti Om. I don't
Okay.
know if you remember,
I
that
remember.
scene.
I remember.
That whole scene.
हाँ.
Om Shanti Om,
Right.
Oscar winning era type belonging movie.
हाँ.
But that one scene
Hmm.
still gives me trauma.
Okay.
You know why?
हाँ.
Because Happy New Year or what was it? Main Hoon Na,
हाँ.
and you know all
Hmm.
those Farah Khan movies
Hmm.
at your face.
Hmm.
ठीक है? Storyline minimal.
Hmm.
The movies at your face, the comedic lines are at your face. ठीक है? And it somehow just works
Hmm.
as a whole.
Hmm.
Which I don't think any other person other than Himesh Reshammiya and Farah Khan, of course,
Okay.
have understood.
Hmm.
कि the movie should be so bad
Hmm.
that it turns out to be good.
Yeah. Hmm.
जिस हिसाब से Happy New Year,
Hmm.
you know that whole lift scene
Right,
there,
right. हाँ.
they're like mumbling inside their brain, and then they shift to
Right.
Deepika Padukone. भाई क्या था वो? That's the typical brain rot.
Hmm. Yeah.
ठीक है, but चल गई मूवी कैसे?
I mean,
Om Shanti Om, that one scene, how? What?
I mean, like, look, I'll tell you something. Yeah, you know, I'm Telugu. ठीक है? I've seen almost all. I've seen mainly Bollywood and Tollywood, and some of Collywood since the time I was a child. Okay, and I will tell you something. Acting perspective से, you know, मुझे तो हमेशा कमल हासन sir was always on the top. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Acting में nobody can cross him. ठीक है? And to be honest, that time, if you actually ask me, be it screenplay, ठीक है, be it you know the story, ठीक है, I've always seen Bollywood of that time to be always faster or better than all the other industries.
हाँ,
ठीक
that
है?
was a good.
आज भी मुझे पूछेगा 2000s Bollywood is the prime era of any industry to ever have. जो तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का अभी है
अभी चल रहा है,
वो
वो
2000s में
तभी
बॉलीवुड का आ गया था. But for example, very simple question. My father always asked this thing. ठीक है, on general perspective, I'll ask you something. If right now, as Tollywood is in its prime, ठीक है, if I would ask you Tollywood movies, what are the core elements which you would tell? Mass, action, high budget, ठीक है, these are the three. If I would tell
एक
you,
और है छोटा,
हाँ, बोल.
sorry, cringe.
Okay,
hook
fine,
steps.
some cringe scenes. Okay,
Cringe hook steps, scenes नहीं, hook
these
steps.
days hook steps.
भाई,
ठीक है.
Pushpa 2, oh my god. Okay, continue.
Okay. If I would tell Malayalam cinema or Malayalam industry, what are the core elements which you would remember?
I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you. I
haven't
see a lot
seen
of
Balu movies.
yeah. I've seen a lot of Malayalam movies. So the groundedness, the story, okay, and the screenplay.
Yeah.
These are three things which I remember. Okay, and if I talk about Collywood, yeah, that's a Collywood. Because like
Anirudh.
yeah, Anirudh's music, Vijay, Ajit. Okay, we only remember about the star images.
Rajini also,
Okay, we just remember about the star images. That is at least the what image it has now. Kannada movies, you just remember Yash and KGF. That's all. Okay, so you can't remember. You can't.
Prashant Neel.
Why? Because like I feel like Rakshit Shetty movies are still going under the radar, and Kantara still has a lot of scope to build. Okay. At the same time, now coming, we talked about all the brand images of every single industry. Now, if I tell you, Bollywood on a whole, if you had to think about movies, what is the core element which got Bollywood to whatever it is today?
Shah Rukh Khan.
No, I'm not talking about actors.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है. A movie के element.
Love story.
Exactly, that is what is missing in Bollywood now. The ahead of time stories of love and people's banter is missing now.
Do you know why?
Why?
Befikra. No, Befikre. Not Befikra. Befikra is some song. Befikre. It was exactly that.
And it flopped, right?
And it flopped. And because of that, I'd say that's not just the reason, but it is one of many reasons. कि जब बागी चल गया, तब nobody knew Baghi 2 was coming.
Yeah.
What the fuck was that movie like?
Okay.
Like क्यों बना दिया? अब Baghi 4 आ रही है. But anyways,
Okay.
Baghi जब चल गई
Hmm.
has a love story that turns rogue and they have to go and place actions.
Hmm.
It made sense.
Hmm.
In the same year, they released YRF and like this two different production companies, but still they released Befikre. Full on love movie.
Hmm.
No drama, like of course drama, but
No
no
action.
like action.
Hmm.
No यहाँ वहाँ का कोई politician आके बीच बीच में घुस रहा है ऐसे कुछ नहीं. Full on love movie ahead of its time.
Yes.
What happened to that? Flopped.
People couldn't accept it.
People changed their perspective, I'd say, from Hindi romance to Hollywood, Tollywood, Gollywood action mass during that phase. Jab there could be a, what do you call it? That's what happened to other industries also, wherein there could be a Saho 2 years ago, in 2019, and 2 years later, same Prabhas is acting in a Radhesham, which is at that budget. But because it's a romantic movie, nobody liked it. So वो phase चलता रहता है, ठीक है. I think one prime example, lots of internet people and lots of people who watch Bollywood know is the 80s.
Yeah.
Jab, all of Telugu, Tamil, Indian cinema around Hindi, excluding Hindi especially, was evolving.
Yeah.
In sorts, action chal raha hai, stuff is happening. And then suddenly Hindi wanted to try again. Anil Kapoor was the hero, Mithun Chakravarti with that cycle and all of that. Who the fuck is watching that?
Makes sense, yeah.
Then came around the time where, like, comedy, social comedies, wherein there is like BV number one, hero number one, Koji number one happening. And then slowly transpired to romance, where Shah Rukh Khan came in, where, like, people had this thing. So, us hisab se, I'd say that trend would continue again. And in the next, like, 5-6 years, abhi Ramayan aa rahi hai, to wo chalega, action ka pura chalega, theek hai, Ramayan ke through. And horror bhi chal raha hai, abhi to chal jayega, Maddock. So, I would say ki ठीक है, comedy might save it again, but who do you think would save it? बस कार्तिक आर्यन कांड भाई. I'm telling you, कैसे हो सकता है? क्यों? Why did they make a 3?
देख यार, it's very, what's the thing about Bollywood अभी, ठीक है, अब देख, ठीक है, अभी every single person from जो कोई भी नॉर्थ, जो कोई भी बॉलीवुड देखता था, sitting and complaining like 2000s का बॉलीवुड अलग तो अभी कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है भाई. It is all because of most of the Indian people also, ठीक है. जो बैंटर तब देखे थे, it was ahead of time. और जो बैंटर अभी दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो ahead of time है, ठीक है. Like for example, you said बेफिक्रे. People just don't want to accept it because they think it's culturally wrong. Acceptance का शक्ति लोगों में है नहीं, ठीक है. Okay, keeping that also ऐसे, उसको भी साइड में रख, ठीक है. The biggest problem is routinity आ गई है. If you think about Bollywood अभी, you'll probably think about Akshay Kumar coming with another patriotic movie or
हाँ तो रही है Sky Force.
Exactly, ठीक है. Kabir Khan making another biopic which is good, but people don't want to watch it just because it's a biopic again, ठीक है. Comedy is almost dying, except you have to put a horror element now for people to come watch it, even though how much of a shit it is. Okay. And Bollywood's original core element, which are love and different ahead of time banter, they are just unable to do it because people don't want to watch it, and now they've come to a stage of remaking the same banter from Love Today to Love Yappa, which is shit again once.
चल तो नहीं रही है. प्रॉब्लम किसमें पता है? प्रॉब्लम इसमें है कि हॉलीवुड नहीं चल रहा, बॉलीवुड नहीं चल रहा, ठीक है. लिटरली भाई कसम से
हॉलीवुड इज ऑन अ डिफरेंट डिक्लाइन.
चल ही नहीं रहा वो. or Bollywood भी in that way. See, the point is Bollywood is trying to become more culturally acceptable in the last 4-5 years. ठीक है. When I watch a movie called Jigra, story है, action है, elements है, camera, cinematography.
Oh, cinematography of Jigra is very good. I'll tell that.
अच्छी है. Would I watch it in theaters? Paying 300, excluding the fact that Alia Bhatt as a female is the lead.
No, like I still remember of what Amir Khan said. तूने एक वीडियो में भी देखा होगा.
हाँ.
They cast male leads mainly because of business reasons.
Yeah.
तो अगर एक मूवी नहीं चली है.
See, the business reason is secondary. Okay, I am talking about solely the storyline.
Okay.
Male lead, female lead, वो सब मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Story के हिसाब से, would you watch a Jigra? Probably not.
No.
You know, like, the point being, like, it's not just Jigra. Jigra took what Telugu films, Tamil films have been offering for the last 5-6 years, and they wanted to mount it at a scale. Alia Bhatt, Vedang Raina, you know, Arijit singing for songs and all of that. उस सब में the story kind of was mid, ठीक है.
Okay.
And the story being mid, did the movie do well? No.
No.
Because the whole point is you're trying to be someone who you're not. And that's the problem of Hollywood or Bollywood. They're planning on being somewhere where they can't go to, but they want to go to. That's why it didn't work. And that's why Badass Ravi Kumar is working. Because it's at your face. Story है नहीं, तुम्हें पता है. फिर भी तुम पैसे दोगे.
वो खुद बोलते हैं लॉजिक नहीं है, स्टोरी नहीं है ट्रेलर में. They are honest about their product.
Whole point, yeah. So, then again, would you sell something which is not good? Or would you sell something which is bad but at a cheaper rate? That's what Bollywood is going through right now. Because they know that their content is good. They shouldn't be worried about paying Infosys ke log to buy Bhool Bhulaiya tickets for free.
Yeah.
The fuck? If you know your movie is good, I wouldn't click off it for 10 minutes.
Why?
I wouldn't pay. Bhai, Bhool Bhulaiya, that whole thing is a different level. Bhai. Why would you pay Insta, Twitter, social media पे जो लोग जिनसे मूवी से कुछ रिलेशन ही नहीं है, out of context cricket is saying Bhool Bhulaiya 3 is the best movie he's watched in 2024. How the fuck? Why
when
the
you
fuck?
hear the name of a movie a lot from random ass people, understand they're paid.
Exactly. And problem in सब में है ही नहीं. Problem is we are moving far away from the simple stuff which used to run. Stuff which, of course, Imran Khan जो चलाता था movies. They don't do really, really well. But they don't flop also. Whereas now, say you make a Jigra with that much budget, that much hero strength, heroine strength, whatnot. The movie tanks. What would you want?
Exactly.
A good product which is sold cheap, or a bad product which has a higher rate? So two things Bollywood people or people who watch movies.
Because like I feel like कुछ comeback हो सकता है. Because I think who's that? Sanjay Leela Bhansali is making a love drama movie again. But I don't know if it's going to be set in the past or the present.
It's called Love and War. No?
Yeah. I don't know if it's going to be set in the past or the present.
Okay.
We'll see about that. The casting is very interesting. Ranbir Kapoor working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali even after bad talking him in interviews, we have to see.
18 साल बाद.
Right. And plus, again, main big question जो recently बहुत headlines बनाया था, ठीक है, and I think everybody knows this, in the recent producers roundtable, Boni Kapoor, keeping aside whatever Vamshi as producer said, ठीक है, keeping aside the banter, I think Boni Kapoor was actually mostly telling OTT. He was stressing so much on the point. Do you think OTT is actually killing Bollywood and also Hollywood, by the way? Just like देख ठीक है जिगरा एंड मेनी मोर ग्राउंडेड मूवीज जब तुम घर बैठे देखते हो तुझे ऐसा फील नहीं आता कि शिट यार ये तो मिस कर दिया थिएटर में यू फील लाइक ओके
पर तू कंट्रोल जाके थिएटर में नहीं देखेगा
कंट्रोल एग्जैक्टली that's what I'm saying you जब तुम एक मूवी बैठ के देखते हो
तू वाइल्ड वाइल्ड पंजाब के लिए 300 रुपए नहीं देगा
never
बट मजा तो आया तुझे
एवरेज है मजा तो आया बट आई टेल यू समथिंग ठीक है
इट इज इन अ वे किलिंग यस बट एवोल्यूशन है यू कांट जस्ट से कि नहीं यार बॉलीवुड की मूवीज ओटीटी पे नहीं आ सकती दैट वुड एक तो पहले तो नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेज़न ही इतने पैसे दे रहे हैं वो भाई मूवी बुलबुलैया रिलीज होने के पहले नेटफ्लिक्स खरीद लेता है तो वो दैट होल ओटीटी का इक्वेशन ऑफ मनी is out of the box like we shouldn't even be discussing but just in case does it kill Bollywood I'd say yeah
same
in a way
ठीक है forget Bollywood we will talk about
every other cinema industry it's killing
but to be honest ठीक है Telugu film industry में it does not look like it is killing mainly because I feel like बहुत सेल्फ अवेयर हो गए हैं कि कौन सा थिएटर में चलेगा कौन सा थिएटर में नहीं चलेगा
वो तो इसमें भी है
किसमें
बॉलीवुड में भी तो है
बॉलीवुड में भी है
they know Archies won't work in theaters so they release it on Netflix they know खो गए हम कहाँ would have lot less
to
people
be honest if you ask me खो गए हम कहाँ should have released
भाई lost opportunity भाई but I think it was because of the production house
maybe
Tiger Baby first production so they were like
and to be honest leaving about Indian film industry को छोड़ ही दे Hollywood भाई वो अलग decline में है
they had only 2 hits in the whole year last year I think
and by the way
did they
I think
yeah they had Deadpool and they had Dune that's it
and
oh my god
and the thing is ठीक है Hollywood का biggest problem is OTT I'll tell you that because like देख Red One is an actual good movie.
Okay.
It got tanked so badly at the box office they had to sell it and
Amazon.
make it release faster on Amazon just so that they could get profits and they actually got profits because they sold it earlier and Red One actually got good reviews on Amazon rather than when it released in theater. I myself personally saw it. I would totally want to watch it in the theater. I didn't go. That is a different thing. I was not really sure कि release कब हो रहा था. I think it had some production issues,
but then again like. Would you watch I don't know Adam Project in the theaters? Yes. Would you watch Six Underground in theaters?
Yes. Fuck yes.
Would you watch what is it called Red Notice in theaters? Of course.
It's a funny movie.
But at the end of the day, something came around. A pandemic came around, and OTT started then, and Ryan, क्या नाम है उसका? Ryan Reynolds नाम भूल जाते हैं यार Ryan Reynolds took the idea of placing it on OTT was he right
and he has his own OTT platform
really?
Yeah Mint Mobile
okay
I guess it has OTT I'm not sure but it is a subscription
but anyhow would you say they decided that back then and that's what ruined what the current status is that's what made places
I mean like look okay what देख ठीक है let's take the case of Ryan Reynolds itself bro is he's very clever he's one of the most cleverest persons or intelligent persons I've seen in the marketing space till now he knows how to market a product and he also knows if he markets it this way nothing can kill that product
yeah
he marketed his movie Deadpool versus Wolverine
he marketed Deadpool first
Deadpool and Wolverine
he leaked he leaked footage for Deadpool and that's how Deadpool actually started in the first place
and he knows how to market which I really think is missing in most of the Hollywood
and Bollywood
and Indian industry as well बहुत सारे केस में marketing सही से नहीं होती example Fighter
Jigra versus Devara
Exactly how the fuck would you want to market that कौन देखेगा वो
साथ में कौन मार्केट करता है जिगरा अलग से मार्केट करो और देवरा अलग से but then again I'd say डूब रही है इंडस्ट्री.
हम्म,
इंडस्ट्री डूब रही है.
वो तो है.
धर्मा 50% ही
He
सोल्ड ऑफ.
sold it off.
मैडक चल रहा है, वो भी गॉड नोज until
I
when
mean, to
they'll
be
be able
honest,
to
Maddox
release.
तो 2028 तक तो चलेगा, उसके बाद देखना पड़ेगा. पूजा is gone.
पूजा
They sold their building also.
बड़े मियाँ छोटे, क्या था भाई.
They're
And then
they're producing another shit movie.
they are producing a movie, I don't remember its name, but then again, would you not, like, क्या ही कर सकता है, खत्म हो रहा है सब कुछ. अब
Do you
पता
think-
नहीं अल्फा should
Alpha is like they're trying to get a Black Widow figure in YRF.
चलेगा
Chalega. I'm not saying it won't.
if they put the comedy of Crew
ah
into a movie which is action based. Basically, consider what was a action comedy in Hollywood. Any action comedy from Hollywood.
hmm.
Consider that made in Indian terms. Works. Why wouldn't it work?
Makes sense.
And मेरे हिसाब से the point we are missing as Bollywood people
Hmm.
is more that हर movie can't get a sequel.
Makes sense. Yes. Telugu movies especially by Tollywood, हर मूवी का सीक्वल निकालना बंद कर दो प्लीज.
Even this thing, Jailer.
देख भाई, Jailer I'm a very big fan.
I don't know
Let's
why.
see. Hands up, I'm a very big fan of Jailer. I loved the movie. I watched like 3 times in theater, so I wouldn't really complain. देखते हैं.
भूल भुलैया 1, 2 तक ठीक, 3
3
क्यों, like why would you make that? And
tested my patience.
even like, not, I'm saying not like mounted big budget movies. Yariya,
You never needed a part.
why would you need a Yariya 2? Now they're saying Sonu Kitty to Kitty Sweetie Part 2 is coming. भाई एक तो नाम नहीं बोल सकते, 7 साल हो गए मूवी. 7 साल, हाँ 7 साल हो गए मूवी को लॉन्च हुए, अभी तक नाम नहीं आता, बट दूसरा पार्ट आ रहा है बोल रहे हैं.
I mean like देख ठीक है, for example,
दोस्ताना 2, it didn't even take off.
it took off.
No,
Okay.
they shelved it
They again restarted it.
with Kartik Aaryan.
I don't know with who.
I hope they make a good movie at
But
least.
wait, Kartik Aaryan and Karan Johar are collaborating for another project now. उनका चल रहा है project अभी. I don't know how they got back, because दोस्ताना 2 she got shelved because of that reason.
That's right. देखते हैं. This is the litmus test, I'd say.
Hmm.
अभी परफॉर्म नहीं करेगी
And I'll
बॉलीवुड
tell you something, ठीक है. I
इस
don't
साल.
know.
See, the whole point is the next 3-4 years are going to just bank and rinse all the sequels.
Hmm.
War 2, Pathan 2, Tiger 4, whatnot. Maddox 3.
Hmm.
Everything is a sequel. Prequel, threequel, whatever.
And original movies
नहीं चलेंगी.
कोई
Jigra
try
didn't
नहीं
work.
कर रहा.
Exactly. And then again, the director
Hmm.
point of view comes up कि कोई नया डायरेक्टर आता ही नहीं है, और जो डायरेक्टर है, संजय लीला बंसाली से लेके अयान मुखर्जी तक, all of them are packed. All of them have War 2 to make, Love and War to make, Ranveer, Dawn
रणवीर का तो
3
भाई Dawn 3 तो it indefinitely got postponed.
postponed. So
फरहान अख्तर I don't know कहाँ है, क्या
he's
कर रहा है.
acting more, it seems.
Farhan Akhtar has to really sit down and think what he wants to do.
I don't know. See, the point is,
'Cause like
the
look-
next 3 years,
Hmm.
it's going to be hard.
I mean,
Even for Hollywood.
हाँ.
To be honest, even Hollywood is not going to, like, I don't know if they'll even stay.
देखते हैं भाई, इस साल तो हॉलीवुड बस टॉम क्रूज बचाएगा. उसका आ रहा है लास्ट पार्ट, डेड रिकनिंग 2
हाँ.
अप्रैल में आ रहा है.
और ये क्या बोलते हैं, 25 में ये तो आ रहा है, मार्वल के 3 मूवीज रिलेटेड.
थंडरबोल्ट्स एंड सम फ्यू. टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई रियली फील लाइक एग्जैक्टली जो मैंने बताया तुझे, ठीक है, तो हॉलीवुड के बारे में सोचेगा तो तुझे सुपर हीरो मूवीज याद आएंगी. व्हेन डीसी एंड मार्वल both made shit movies at the same time, हॉलीवुड पूरा तभी गिर गया. And I would really blame Marvel and DC for Hollywood's downfall.
I wouldn't say Ryan Reynolds saved Marvel, because That whole thing is still off my mind कि कैसे बना दिया
I
मूवी.
still love that movie.
यार मार्वल जीसस, मार्वल का कुछ होता तब ना. कुछ
Okay.
है ही नहीं आगे. 6 महीने हो गए मार्वल का कुछ आया
To
ही
be
नहीं है.
honest, when we were recording the review, तब इसने बोला था because ये मार्वल का vivid fan था and I am kind of a person who sees movie for what it is. ठीक है, I did not really put का मार्वल का कुछ होना चाहिए. Later on the social media मैंने देखा कि मार्वल के fans बहुत गुस्से हो रहे हैं and another half was actually loving the movie for whatever it is. तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है, there is a divide. देखेंगे, but देखते हैं. Marvel is on a whole downfall right now.
Yeah.
And this is called a Marvel movie just because Marvel wants to make some money and I don't think Marvel ये ad भी करेगा future
नहीं
वाले
करेगा.
movies में. Mostly
करेंगे.
करेंगे. But Ryan Reynolds तो बोल रहा है he won't play Deadpool again for a while.
For a while कहाँ कर
देखते
देंगे.
हैं Doomsday में शायद Deadpool
Everyone
मारेगा.
said the same thing. This guy Chris Evans said he'll not take up Captain America again.
He's not.
He will.
He won't.
This RDJ said he won't take Iron Man again.
He
Character same ही है.
I mean
हो जाता
technically
है.
Mr. like Doctor Doom can fly, he can shoot. Just has a different color.
देखो यार बॉलीवुड का तो पता नहीं. हमारा चैनल चल जाना चाहिए अगले 3 साल में. तो चला दो, नीचे सब्सक्राइब का बटन है, ठोक दो. इफ यू लाइक दिस एपिसोड और इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड या फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज, थोड़ा मतलब रोज मिल्क
Why?
पे हमें अदर ले लो प्लीज. वी हैव इंटरेस्ट.
And plus, like, if you want to see more of film के ऊपर debate वाले, tell us in the comments. We are always
रिव्यूज
waiting.
है उस साइड, रिव्यूज ऊपर जाके देख लो. एंड या we'll
And
see you
before
next
going,
week.
what's the most anticipated movie you want this year? You want to go for generally Bollywood से?
10,000% War 2
War 2 इस साल है.
इसी साल है ना.
There's not one poster out from the movie.
अगस्त नो.
Delay हो सकता है. I'm pretty sure delay हो सकता है. देखेंगे. Delay होना नहीं चाहिए. According to Hrithik Roshan, he's on the last song right now.
या
ठीक है, आएगा तो मेरे लिए भी War 2 ही है. फिर देख.
नहीं आया तो छावा में भी, because
हाँ.
he has put in a lot of effort.
Actually last year आना चाहिए था, but
yeah, Pushpa 2. Interstellar नहीं आई, छावा नहीं आई, cause Pushpa 2.
I'll tell you something. ठीक है, ये part मुझे पहले बोल देना चाहिए था, but if this trend of big budget movies coming in Tollywood is going to continue, I feel like it wouldn't last long, and I feel like the producer should come at a saturation point of when to stop this, because ये ज्यादा बढ़ के स्टोरी पे फोकस थोड़ा उतर जा रहा है. The two biggest anticipated movies from Indian film industry in last year 2024, because no big film was slated from Tollywood, Collywood, or any industry. The only big budget and highly anticipated movies were all from Tollywood. That was Devara and Pushpa 2. Kalki also, but
Kalki पिछले साल था, ये हमें याद ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
We feel like we have been watching that movie since we were
Right.
children or
These
something.
three are the biggest movies in Indian film industry for last year, which was slated and also released. Kalki was actually good. ठीक है. At least जितना expect
least
किया था उतना match हुआ.
Kalki 3 तक सारे हॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड सब.
Kalki 2 parts ही होगा.
हाँ क्या?
Only 2 parts.
Why?
मुझे डायरेक्टर ने बोला 2 part ही होगा.
There should be 3, no?
Only 2 parts. He'll finish
Okay.
it in the next movie.
Please stay intact until Kalki 3 or Kalki 2 and Salar 3, please. I want to watch what happens next.
And the biggest problem is Kalki was an actually good movie. Content था जो बोले उसका match हुआ. In fact, it kind of overperformed my expectations also. But the two biggest movies which are slated, that was Devara and Pushpa 2, both of them performed well at the box office, but to be honest, did not really satisfy my expectations. Devara first half sexy था, second half भाई कौन ही देख रहा उस मूवी को second half. ठीक है. Pushpa 2, so much was expected. Disappointment है. I'll tell you, it's not a great movie. It's a one-time watch. But Pushpa 2 जितना hype था, if you ask me 2,000 crores आना चाहिए उस movie के लिए, I'm like, 600, 800 max. स्टोरी कुछ है नहीं ज्यादा उसमें. it dreamt of doing so much more but could not do anything, and part 3 mat nikalo. That's all.
And on the last note, next time you watch Lion King, remember it's Bahubali.
Everybody knows it at this point.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Fuck off.